Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the Rinse Aid dispenser on your Samsung dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new Rinse Aid dispenser for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The Rinse Aid dispenser releases detergent and rinse aid during the wash cycle to facilitate the cleaning process. The dispenser is most commonly replaced if one of the doors breaks or if it stops dispensing properly. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. Since we'll be working with the dishwasher's electrical components, disconnect power to the dishwasher. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Twist the vent cover counterclockwise to remove it. If you can't remove it with your fingers, you may need to use pliers to help to grab onto it. Be careful not to damage the cover. Using a T15 Torx Bit, remove the 14 screws on the inner door panel. Then, gently lift the inner door panel. Note that when doing so for the first time, the sound insulation will tear as it is glued to the inner door panel. Then, gently pull the wires, disconnecting the door switch. Next, remove the two electrical connectors connecting the dispenser by depressing the locking tabs and gently pulling the wires. Then, pull back the tape on the inner door panel and remove the wires. Next, lay the inner door panel on a flat surface with the Rinse Aid dispenser hanging in the free space between the two. To remove the Rinse Aid dispenser, insert a putty knife between the bottom three metal tabs, using a flat-headed screwdriver to help create space for the putty knife to pass through. Then, prying one of the side tabs while gently applying pressure to the dispenser. A decent amount of force may be necessary to ensure the tab does not lock back into place. While maintaining pressure, pry the opposing side tab. If you need to purchase a new Rinse Aid dispenser, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag in your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. To install, align the Rinse Aid dispenser to the inner door panel and push into place. Ensure that all of the metal locking tabs are correctly seated behind the retainers on the dispenser. Now, align the inner door panel to the tub of the dishwasher. Next, install both electrical connectors to the dispenser. Then, reconnect the door switch. Align the inner door panel to the outer door panel and set in place. Reinstall the screws in the door. Note that the 4 long screws go in the top middle 4 slots. Align the vent cover to the slot, then screw it in. Then close the dishwasher's door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.